Installation guides for the GX827. Turn the original halogen bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Twist off the GX827 base. Use a tool to install the base. Turn clockwise to tighten. Insert the GX827 bulb body. Ensure the rear wire is pointing to the 6 o'clock position. Connect to the vehicle's connector. If it doesn't light up, simply reverse the connection. Instructions of removing the light bulb. Pull out the GX827 bulb body. Use the black tool to remove the base. Turn counterclockwise. Use your fingers to pull it out if it's hard to handle. Want to upgrade your lights? Reach out to PA. See you next time.